Hey, what's up, guys? Bob Guy here. I just, uh, so for this video, of course, it's gonna be Flappy Bird. I'm gonna do some Five Nights at Freddy's videos and the Impossible quiz, uh, sometime soon. But right now it's no, not Five Nights at Freddy's, Flappy Bird. So I've got my editing software working, so in my recording software. So let's get to it. Sorry if this is loud, because I don't really know where I should be for this. Oh, fuck. Come on. Yes! New high score! I'm going pro. Aw, crap. Yay, new best. Aw, crap. Come on. I can do better. What? I wasn't paying attention. Shoot. No, I don't want the stupid ad. God. Alright, I should have jumped. I don't know what. What the heck? For the love of God. Alright. Alright, I've got this. What? Okay. Apparently I don't know how to Flappy Bird. Alright, no, I don't want the Walt Disney, whatever that is. Alright, that's it for this video. Bye.